negotiator! All kidding aside, you really are the best negotiator in town. I truly do believe that.
Well, thank you. I think it's just, we've just done it so much. I mean, there's barely a week that goes by that we don't sell a home, sometimes multiple homes. To me, the art of negotiation is keeping both sides positively engaged in the process. When a buyer checks out, when a seller checks out, that is the worst possible thing that can happen. And an agent's job is to keep both sides moving forward to that goal of getting a meeting of the minds.
And not taking no for an answer, ever. You get a no, 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 and you still keep going. And that is why I do think that you're the best negotiator in town. So if you want to work with the best negotiator in town, he's sitting right here. He'd be delighted to help you anytime. Like this video, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next week on
Sell It Proper. No, not as violent this time.
Can I just get this white hand?
Oh, Theresa, not on camera, do you mind?
Let me just get it.
Theresa.
Sorry, you don't want that out. Bring in the negotiator! Bring in the negotiator! Bring in the negotiator! Bring in the negotiator!
You've been a bit rough, Theresa. And another person says yes, especially when it's been difficult.
Sorry.
You're zoning out.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
I'm just over there like, yeah.
Okay, let's start again. Okay.